welcome back to Will's channel. We're going to do another cooking video, making bacon and egg spaghetti, and we are boiling the water right now. Just need more water.
Yep. Fill this up. You can boil the water.
All the way up to those nails.
No, we gotta have room for the noodles too.
Okay, now the pot is bubbling for the noodles.
Should we add our noodles?
Yep. Pass them over.
Push the noodles down. All right, so now while these are cooking, we're gonna start the eggs. We'll use a little pan, little frying pan, and get some meat going.
Snap them.
On
Ooh, there's
medium
lots of
low.
bubbles. Woo. Rainbow
It's
dropping.
just like a rainbow. All right, we already cooked our bacon earlier, so I'll get that out. So then we'll cook our spaghetti noodles and our eggs, and we'll add our bacon and our Parmesan. That'll be how it comes
Look.
together.
I tried to catch the spaghetti. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh, you know what we need to get in the sink? The strainer.
Why?
So that when we
What's
put,
a strainer?
it's a bowl with holes in it. So then when we
Oh,
pour this
yeah.
pot into the strainer, the water will run through the holes, but the noodles will
Oh,
stay in the
what
bowl.
the? Okay. Putting the eggs in. How many are we gonna put in?
Since it's just me and you, I think I'll probably do
3?
3 eggs. Yep.
Maybe like 4, probably.
I think 3 should be enough because it mixes in with all the other ingredients too. All right, we'll add a little salt and pepper to the egg.
What if I drop the phone in the noodles? Washing our hands. We have lots of things in here. So much.
Grab a paper towel and then we can warm up the bacon in the microwave a little bit. That'll work.
4. 1. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4.
Perfect.
You're a good counter, kids.
Now let's put in the microwave. And we can turn it on for 30 seconds. Okay, we got our eggs almost done here. We're gonna flip them soon. The noodles almost done here, and we'll strain them.
Except 4 hard ones.
Oh, you put hard noodles in there.
Yeah, 4.
You wanna know a way you can test a spaghetti noodle if it's done? All right, I just took that one out of the pot so it's cooled down a little bit. Now throw it at the cupboard here and see if it sticks. If it sticks, then it's done.
Yeah.
It's done. right.
That's so cool. And it's making a U.
I know, look at that. U for
Umbrella.
umbrella. Perfect. I was gonna try to think of something with the lunch, but ooh, steamy. And the bacon's done.
See that.
Do you want to cut the bacon with scissors?
Yeah.
Into little bits.
I said, cowboy, take me away.
There. You're doing it. And I'll turn off the eggs real quick because those look like they're about done. We want the yolks soft so that we can use a little of that runny yolk as the sauce. All right, so now spaghetti noodles go into the bowl. Keep chopping bacon into there.
There's some on the top.
And then we'll add the eggs in there. And chop those up. Good. Good. Good.
Those are loopy.
All right.
Chop this one up.
Chop that bacon. All right, let me add
Because
some Parmesan.
the other one, the spaghetti can fall through the holes.
All right, chop up the eggs. Gently, gently. Yep, there you go. That's good. Yeah, the yolks get squished in there, making a little bit of a sauce for the spaghetti. Still have a noodle on the, we still have a noodle on the cover.
Oh. Take that down.
Yeah.
Can I put it in there?
Add it to the bowl. Why not?
Ew. It's
Pretty
super
sticky.
sticky. It's too sticky. Hey. Woohoo! Poop. Ouchie. Hey, did I just drop my spaghetti? This is gonna be better than this thing. This thing has no taste. Like so much taste because it's got like ingredients. I like the bacon.
Yeah.
I don't like the yolk though. That's the only time I said I don't like.
Yeah. That's okay. You don't have to like everything.
Yeah, not everything.
But I'm glad you like it. Give it a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm. Well, I have silence because like the old couch are like, well, maybe like
Mostly up.
mostly up, mostly down. Go for away. Thanks for watching, kids. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye. Hope you have an old time day.